So I have the Jubatus here, and I also have a mess on the table. It's organized chaos is what it is. I kind of know what goes where, but I already did a few things to the Jubatus. First thing you might notice or might not notice, because there's not much of a change, I put oil-filled shocks there, and that changed the sloppy stock suspension. Next thing I did was I got these wheels and tires. I put them on. I think they look really, really good on this buggy. And I noticed from the stock wheel and tire, you see how like the hex nut almost comes all the way out to the outer edge of the rim. This is offset a little bit and it actually dishes in. So what it does is it gives it a wider stance. So we're gonna test out these tires. Honestly, those tires that were on this weren't that great. So these have to be better. And then I put a JX servo, and this servo makes a world of difference. Here, I'll show you the stock turning speed versus this JX servo speed. Much bigger difference, a lot better. You notice the motor's missing, and that's because it's just a cheap GoolRC, but it's a 2440 4600 kV brushless motor. Comes with a 35 amp ESC. Now, I could have gone a little bit bigger with the brushless motor. The stock motor is a 2.3 millimeter shaft. So I just got a brushless motor with the same size shaft. Yeah, I know I could drill out the pinion gear. I could drill it out, but I don't want to deal with it. I just want to swap one to the other. So I'm not going to show the whole build process. Next time you see this, all back together. So none of the colors match there. That's okay with these sensorless brushless motors. You can flip flop them around. The reason why they're in that order there is because it actually was going in reverse. So you just flip a couple of these around until you get it to go in the right direction. Right now, I'm gonna run this Venom 2S LiPo in there. I was gonna run this Goldbat 3S LiPo, but when I had the battery compartment taken apart and was trying to fit this in there, this is actually just a hair too big. I thought I got the right measurements. Maybe I'll just like kind of set it in there somehow and put the body on. I'm just gonna speed run with it. I'm not gonna bash it or anything, so this shouldn't fall out. So I'm gonna be running this with my FlySky FS-GT2B. I like this controller. It's not a bad controller for being a cheap Amazon budget controller. So we'll throw the body on and take this out for some speed runs. All right, we are gonna try it out on 2S first, because why would you start with 3? I already have the GPS fastened to the body. Let's go into our GoolRC app here. Let's go into track. I did notice when I was just testing it out on the bench, this does have a pretty decent amount of cogging. Takes a little bit to get going. Oh, I can tell you right now, just that little blip there on 2S, this is much faster than stock. I didn't even open it up. Let's see what we got on that. 60 miles an hour, and I didn't even really like throttle it. Oh. And that wasn't even all the way. Let's see what we got there. Stop that. 27 miles an hour. I didn't even really like fully open it up to its full potential there. Let's do that again. Oh, that cogging is bad. Okay, I think I was at max speed there. Let's do another run up through. Uh-oh, that cogging is an issue in the grass. It's not so bad on the pavement, because on the pavement, you can get it to roll. Let's see what we got. Let's stop that. Let's see what we got here We got 32 miles an hour, and that's on 2S. Nice. So yeah, that cogging in the grass. I don't know what's going on here. Things like glitching. See, there we go. See, it has to be moving. Sometimes it doesn't pay to get the cheap brushless stuff on Amazon. I had good luck with my Latrax pre-runner. The brushless motor setup I put in that was a GoolRC, and that doesn't cog just a real little bit in the beginning, but it's barely noticeable. This is not good. But let's try this on 3S. So I'm gonna take this holder off, set the battery inside there like that. Now this is probably not the best thing to do. Plug it in, turn it on. Okay. Oh yeah, that's faster. Those tires balloon up a little bit more. Now I'm not going to be able to pin the body down, so sometimes you just have to improvise. I'm just going to Velcro strap it down, and hopefully the body can keep that battery inside there. Okay, well that's the best I can do. Again, we had that cogging issue. Ooh. Wow, it's fast. It wants to like just... That was about half throttle there. There we go. Whoa! It took me right off the road there. It just had that much torque. Oh yeah, I'm definitely over. And definitely over 40 mile an hour. I know I am. That was fast. One more run. Come on, it's cogging. There we go. All right, let's bring that back. Did we break 40? Come on. Oh, we hit 40 exactly. So 32 on 2S, 40 on 3S. Not bad. Let's do a couple more passes, see if we can break that 40. Had to give it a rolling start. That is also how you can prevent that cogging. Oh, in the grass. Come on, get out of the grass. There we go. Oh, in the grass again. It's kind of hard to control because this thing's so small. Whoa, I thought I was hitting myself. I hit a bump and now I lost my momentum. Now I got to go get it. Okay, now I'm in range. Let's stop it. Let's see. Did we pass? Oh, we hit 43 miles an hour. So 43 miles an hour on 3S on the Jubatus. The downside to that is the whole cogging issue I'm having. Maybe I'll throw another brushless motor in it. I don't know. Either that or I just got a bad ESC. This might not be done yet. This might not be done yet. Hey, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.